Hello, friends. Today we're going to learn our ABCs with car names, including some of the latest car brands. Let's get started.
A.
A is for Audi.
B.
B is for BMW.
C.
C is for Chevrolet.
D.
D is for Dodge.
E.
E is for Exceed.
F.
F is for Ferrari.
G.
G is for GMC.
H.
H is for Honda.
I.
I is for Infiniti.
J.
J is for Jeep.
K.
K is for Kia.
L.
L is for Lexus.
M.
M is for Mercedes-Benz.
N.
N is for Nissan.
O.
O is for Opel.
P.
P is for Porsche.
Q.
Q is for Coros.
R.
R is for Rivian.
S.
S is for Subaru.
T.
T is for Tesla.
U.
U is for Ultima.
V.
V is for Volkswagen.
W.
W is for W Motors.
X.
X is for XPeng.
Y.
Y is for Youngman.
Z.
Z is for Zeekr. Great job, friends! You learned your ABCs with car names. Hope you learned some new things today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.